لتتوصل بكل ما هو جديد لا تنسى أن تضغط على زر سبسكرايب. هذه أسهل طريقة لتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية عن طريق السؤال والجواب. هيا لنبدأ. What's your name? What's your name? My name is John. My name is John. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from USA. I'm from USA. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 27 years old. I'm 27 years old. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. What's your job? What's your job? I'm a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. Do you have brothers and sisters? Do you have brothers and sisters? Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister. What's her name? What's her name? Her name is Emma. Her name is Emma. How old is she? How old is she? She is 25. She is 25. Does she live with you? Does she live with you? Yes, she lives with me. Yes, she lives with me. Does she work? Does she work? No, she doesn't work. No, she doesn't work. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.